Yes, children. Now, today I am with second part of chapter 5, and the topic is that public and private healthcare services. So, children, the health of a nation is difficult to define in terms of a single set of measures. Really, it is difficult to define. At best, we can assess the health of the population by taking into account indicators like infant mortality and maternal mortality rates, life expectancy, and nutrition. Along with we can say the incidence of communicable and non-communicable diseases. Healthcare facility can be divided into public and private health services, children. Now, what is public health services and what is private health services? That we are going to discuss here. The public health services are the hospitals run by the government, which we known as the government hospitals. So government hospital that's come under the public health services. Okay, clear this is? So the public health services are the hospitals which is run by the government. Okay, so all these hospitals work as a chain and provide treatment both in rural and urban areas. So government facilities, we can say the public health services, that is provided the treatment. Where they provide the treatment? In rural areas also. Rural, it means village, and the urban areas also, it means in cities. Is it clear? The care and treatment varies from common problem to special service. The care and treatment which is provided by the government, that is also varies. That is from common problem to the special services also. If any common disease is there, common issue is there, that is also available. With that, the special services are also available. In village, if we are talking about children, so there are primary health centers. Okay, not the big hospitals are not available in the village. They are the primary health centers which have a trained nurses. Okay, in villages, primary health centers are there. As in cities, you see that government hospitals are also very big hospitals are there with all the equipment and facilities. Like that facility is not in the village. So in village, primary health centers are there where the trained nurses are available. And a village health workers are also there. Primary health centers, which we known as the PHC. Okay, primary health centers, short form is PHC. Cater to many villages in rural India. There is a district hospitals at the district level. When you will go to the district level, so you will find a district hospital. But in rural area, in villages, if you are talking about, so they are not the hospital. There are the primary health centers where the trained nurses are there for the primary treatment. Primary treatment, it means when any small problem is there, health issue is there, so in that case they give the treatment. But anything is serious or special or which is not in under their control, so they refer to the city in government hospital. The most important aspect of the public health services, children, is that it is open to all, providing care. Okay, and treatment to even the poor section of the society. It means it is not, it is like that ki any a special kind of person is there, or the group of the people is there where these facilities are available. It is for all, whether they belongs to rich or they belong to poor section of the society. Public health system take action to prevent the spread diseases. Some diseases are there which is spreaded by person to person. So for that also the primary health system, they take care of that and they take action to prevent, so people cannot be infected or the affected for that. So these diseases are such as the TB, polio, malaria, dengue, diarrhea, etc. The Indian Constitution, children, directs the central and state government to ensure the welfare of the citizen and provide health care facility to all. In our Indian Constitution, they directs, they order the central and the state government to ensure that, to check that the welfare of its citizen and provide health care facility to all. The resources needed, what are the resources needed to run these services? The government, which services they are giving to the public, to the common people, to everyone. So what are the resources needed to run these services? So that are the obtained from the, in the form of the tax taken from the public. Why it is required, children, to fill the tax? You will also grown up, and when you will start earning, so you also have to pay tax. In so many people, they avoid to pay tax, so that's why they are charged the fine also. But we should give proper tax, we should pay the tax, because when we pay the tax, then only these government hospitals, schools, they provide the facility to all. Understood? So thus the government must safeguard the right to life of every citizen. Understood, children? So what we have done in this part, the public and private health care services. What is public? That we are discussing the public health services. Public health services means the service, the hospital, are hospitals which are run by the government. Is it clear? And these treatment and the whatever the facilities are there, that is provided in rural area also, as well as the urban area also. Understood? And the care and treatment, that is also varies, because it is from common problem to the special services are also available. Understood? In rural area means in villages. If you are talking about the villages, children, so in villages, primary health centers are available. Means in villages you will not find the big hospitals. Hospitals are not available there. There the primary health services are available, which is known as the PHC. Okay, and there are many villages in rural in India like that, where they got the facilities of primary health centers. So in primary health centers, children, trained nurses are there. Okay, doctors are not available, trained nurses are there. With that we can say the village health workers are there. Okay, in primary health, children, understood, in village, in rural area, government hospitals are not available. They are the primary health centers, they work. So in that primary health centers, children, trained nurses are there to give the treatment, and that also the primary treatment. Means any common problem is there, any small health issue is there, so that treatment in village people they get. Okay, their district hospitals are available at the district level. Understood? So we can say the most important aspect of the health services are this, that it is provided to all. It is open for all. Okay, whether the person belong to rich or poor. So primary health services, I'm not talking about only that only, whatever the we can say facilities or hospital which is run by the government, it is open, and treatment which they are providing, that is all is for open for all. They belongs to any section. Okay, so it is open for all. Even children, this system, the public health services, they take action also time to time to prevent the spread of diseases. Means बीमारियों को फैलने से रोकने के उपाय. I don't speak Hindi too much, but I'm thinking that you should understand. So what are those diseases, children? Again, whatever the topic I have taught you, that again I am repeating those topic in this part. Okay, so I'm going very slowly that you should understand. So those diseases are, children, as TB, polio, malaria, dengue, and diarrhea, etc. So these are the diseases which primary health system, they take action to prevent the spread of these diseases. Understood? Our Indian Constitution, children, they direct to whom? They direct the central and state government. To whom the Indian Constitution directs, children? The Indian Constitution that they directs the central and state government to ensure, to check, to see the welfare of its citizen and provide the health care facility to all, means to everyone. Is it clear? The resources they needed, children, for this also, whatever the facilities you see in the government hospital, you got, and their fees, the charges are very less, and in that they provide the facility to everyone there. Whatever the care doctors are there, nurses are there, they are also paid. They also get the salaries and all. With that, the facility and treatment also, maintenance charges are required. So that all the government they do, and they in उसका जो फीस होता है, the fees rate, if you will compare with the private hospital, so there is no comparison. That much vast difference is there. So the question is that how the government they work, they give this facility in very cheap amount, है ना, बहुत ही कम पैसे में ये सारे ट्रीटमेंट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल कैसे दे पाते हैं, है ना, बिकॉज देयर ऑल्सो डॉक्टर नर्सेज आर available, cleaning is there, treatment instruments are there. So for that, how they get money? Government hospital को पैसे कैसे मिलते हैं? And private hospitals we give, है ना, because they charge high. So it understood. But in government hospital it is not like that. They charge very, very less amount. So how they do this all? So because of the revenue, taxes. Okay, and that taxes, who paid that tax? Public. We paid the taxes to children. So that's the reason from our side we paid the taxes. With that taxes they give all the facilities in the healthcare services. Is it clear? So thus the government must safeguard, we can say, the right to life of every citizen. So up to here public health services we have done in second part. So in third part we will do the private health services. So must read the chapters. I always said listen the video, it's good. I am going very slowly, so that's the reason ki you should understand. If any confusion is there, so you can call and you can ask to me.